Hello, Teaching Practicum B students. This is your teacher Aida Cermeño, and today I will walk you through how our course will be developed in this 6 months. First, some course generalities. This is Teaching Practicum 2. To be enrolled in this course, you should have approved Teaching Practicum 1. This is section B, and we're going to have 64 synchronous classes via Google Meet, and our class schedule will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:50 p.m. to 5:35 p.m. Some course objectives. Well, we have our general objective, which is you as teacher candidates will be able to analyze the implications of teaching a language in a virtual format. One of our specific objectives is that you as teacher candidates will be able to design learning activities applying different pedagogical approaches in online instruction. This is just one of the objectives. So please, I really need you to go to our syllabus and navigate on the information that I have uploaded there. This is just a brief presentation, and I'm just giving you an overview of how the course will be, but later on you have to go to the syllabus and read with more attention in there. Our course methodology, in this first period we're going to have an accelerated first period because I will have a nice surgery and I will have to cover the topics that we were supposed to cover like in 6 weeks in 2 weeks. So my eye surgery will be on February 26th, and that implies that in these 2 weeks I will have to advance with the topics that I have been preparing. So we're gonna meet the 4 hours a week, and in these 4 hours I really need you guys to participate, to interact, to debate ideas and generate solutions. Okay, it's been a pattern that in these online classes the teacher is the one always speaking and students remain quiet all the time. That doesn't generate at all knowledge, that doesn't generate an exchange of ideas. So please, you are preparing to be teachers, so be aware the necessity of creating interaction. Okay, our official means of communication are going to be constant use of emails. I will reply your emails within the 24 hours that you have sent your original message. I will always enable a question and answer forum, a weekly format in which you will go and ask any question. Imagine that there's a quiz upcoming soon, and then you will ask things like, teacher, are we gonna have the quiz this Friday, just to say something, right? So in the syllabus I have stated that I will be checking this question and answer forum twice a day or 4 times a day, twice in the morning and twice in the evening. I am not using social media to interact with you guys. I have social media profiles, but I am not using them with the purpose of communication with the students. So we are going to have very formal communication through our emails and the question and answer weekly forum thread. Okay? Materials will be released every Monday at 2 p.m. Other material will be released during the week, but that will depend on how much reinforcement you might need. There's also there will be available optional material that it will serve as reinforcement to support the topics that we have been studying. This is about how you will submit homework. I will always enable tools on the platform for you to submit everything. If there are external tools, they will appear in the platform as well. If you are sending documents, do it in the Moodle tool that I will make available. Try to avoid sending homework on email unless we agree to do it so. So what happened in the past is that students kept on sending me homework via email, and daily I get a lot of emails, so those assignments that they sent me were lost. I didn't know where they were. I was assuming that it was in the tool on Moodle, but it turned out that they have been sending that homework via the email. So I really don't want you to do that, because it helps me to keep control on the assignments that you are sending me. Meanwhile, if you do it via the email, that wouldn't work for me. So Netiquette, guys, you know, Netiquette is manners online. There's a lot more information in the syllabus, but something that I want to remark is how you're gonna send me your emails, okay? So remember, the email has a subject, which is the asunto, in which you say, you make a question like, upcoming forum thread. So that would be the asunto, right? So you write it there, but please do not write everything you want to ask in the asunto, because that's not professional. Okay, so you know, then you have a short greeting, the body of your email, and the closing remarks. Just make sure you follow that format. Okay, and netiquette also implies respect online, like good behavior online. When you write an email, you don't write everything with capital letters, right? When we are having a video conference, everybody has an opportunity to speak, so just allow people to finish their ideas, and then you proceed with yours. And there's a lot more on netiquette, but that's what you're gonna read in the syllabus. Evaluations. Okay, so in evaluations, there's gonna be a self-introduction. We are going to be using CISO, which is I mean, you will see information in the platform about CISO. This is 15%. You're gonna record a video there. There's gonna be a forum thread. This forum thread is gonna be divided in two phases. So if you check in the platform, I have already assigned the groups in which you're gonna participate. In the first phase of the forum thread, you're gonna be discussing, just posting ideas on 2 possibilities of online learning and 2 drawbacks. In the next week, you're going to comment a classmate, and also reply to a classmate that has been commenting your post. So that's going to be 15%. There's going to be a short online quiz. There's going to be 15%. You're going to do class observation, guys. I have been talking to the teachers that are going to be conducting conversational English, and they will allow you to enter their classrooms. This is mandatory, and you're going to work in pairs, okay? So this is going to be worth 15%. You will also work on an essay report, and this essay will be based on your observations online. Let me see. So this is the description of the activities and the dates that you will be submitting them. Definitely, guys, there's gonna be more information in our first virtual classrooms, but I really need you to be really involved with the syllabus. And the syllabus is just an idea of how the semester will look like. There will be definitely things that I might change, but all the time I'm gonna be informing you. Okay, so this is all for me. I hope to see you on Tuesday, right, in class. Okay, thank you so much.